Hello, and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. So have you ever seen the internet lately where it's flooded with a lot of pictures like these and these? Well, I'm going to teach you how to create one of these photos in a few processes, a few quick clicks. Now, let's just go ahead and go to Google, and I want you to type in the word bing.image creator right here. Click this one. And once you're, oh, by the way, make sure that you're logged into your Google account or Microsoft account, whatever. And on this prompt, let's go back to this prompt right here. On this prompt right here, I need you to click, and then it is a AI platform. So you can just type in whatever it is that you feel, and it'll interpret it into and convert it into an image of your liking, you know? So I'm going to type man in pink uniform. So once you type anything here, just go ahead and press create. This is totally for free, by the way. So it's now generating the AI that you just typed in. So scroll down here. Still working on it right now. And there you have it. So there's totally AI generated. So how cool is that? So anyways, that's just it. I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.